ప్రకృతి మనిషిని సృష్టిస్తే మనిషి రోగాలను సృష్టించుకున్నాడు. అలాంటి రోగాలను ప్రకృతితోనే తరిమెయ్యాలన్న సంకల్పంతో ప్రకృతి రాసిన వేదాలను ఆయుర్వేదంగా మలచిన మహర్షులు, సిద్ధ పురుషుల, ఆయుర్వేద ప్రతిభ జ్ఞానుల నుంచి ఆయుర్వేద పట్టును పుణికి పుచ్చుకుని పుట్టిందే ఈ శ్రీ విశిష్ట ఆయుర్వేద.
Hello, I am Dr. P. Rashmita from Sri Vishishta Ayurveda Hospital.
Hello, I am Dr. V. Kirtana from Sri Vishishta Super Speciality Ayurveda Hospital. We at Sri Vishishta Super Speciality Ayurveda Hospital, under the guidelines of CCRAS and Ayush Ministry, have brought a range of products to prevent COVID-19 and also to boost your immunity.
So let us have a small discussion about COVID-19. It is a virus caused by coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2. So some of the symptoms of coronavirus is fever, headache, then loss of smile, loss of taste, and in some condition, breathlessness.
To begin with, the range of products to prevent COVID-19, Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit. First product is Ayush Kvata Churnam. Around 3 grams of Ayush Kvata Churnam should be dissolved in a glass of water. It should be boiled, stirred and filtered. It should be drinked in a lukewarm condition. It should also be consumed about once or twice in a day. It can also be mixed with draksha or jaggery, or even fresh lime can also be added to increase the taste. The benefits that are obtained from consuming Ayush Kvata Churna includes free from nasal or blocked airway passages and also free from excess mucus secretion.
So our next product from Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit is Anutailam. Take 2 drops of Anutailam on each nostril early in the morning on an empty stomach between 6 to 8 a.m. and at bedtime. Then followed by facial massage, then steam inhalation, and then gargling with lukewarm water. So the benefits of Anutailam is it clears the nasal blockage, it clears the nasal passages. People who are suffering with cold, loss of smell, it improves the loss of smell.
The next product from Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit is Jeevandhara drops. About 2 to 3 drops of Jeevandhara liquid. It should be mixed with the boiling water and the emerged fume should be inhaled. The benefits obtained by inhaling Jeevandhara drops in water includes free from rhinitis, sinusitis or even allergic respiratory conditions. It also increases the sense of smell and it also clears the nasal passages.
So our next product from Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit is AGA Fort. This capsule should be taken one in the morning and night at bedtime before food or as directed by the physician. So the benefits of AGA Fort is it improves the immunity. It also reduces the damage caused by COVID-19.
The next product from Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit is Immunoplus. 1 capsule should be consumed both in the morning and in the evening after food. It should be followed by lukewarm water or it can also be consumed as directed by the physician. The benefits of consuming Immunoplus capsule includes it eases the act of respiration and it also boosts your immunity.
So our next product from Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit is Chyawanprash. Take 1 teaspoon of Chyawanprash early in the morning before food on an empty stomach, followed by lukewarm milk, and then at bedtime on an empty stomach, followed by lukewarm milk. So the benefits of Chyawanprash is it improves the immunity and it improves the blood circulation in the body.
The next product from Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit is Ayurveda Churna. Around 10 grams of 1 teaspoon of Ayurveda Churna. It should be mixed with 2 liters of water. It should be boiled, filtered and it should be consumed in lukewarm. It should also be consumed throughout the day in lukewarm condition. The benefits obtained by consuming Ayurveda Churna in water includes it mainly acts as a coolant. Any excess heat production in the body, it gets neutralized. It also eases throat irritation and it also reduces throat infection and it mainly acts as a blood purifier.
So our next product from Sri Vishishta Immunity Kit is Dhupana Churnam. Take 10 grams of this churnam, add it with cow dung cakes, then burn it and spread across the whole house. The fumes, the benefits of these fumes is it removes the microorganisms from the immediate environment.
The range of products should be consumed for a period of 1 month. It provides immunity not just from the COVID-19 prevention but also from any other viral or bacterial infections. Upon provision of Sri Vishishta Super Speciality Immunity Kit, the following range of services will also be provided. Free 2 counseling will be provided. The products will be administered under doctor supervision. Courier will also be provided, courier of medicines will also be provided and also an executive follow-up will be done for a period of 1 month. Thank you.
Sri Vishishta Super Speciality Ayurveda మీ ఆరోగ్యమే మా లక్ష్యం.